Welcome back everybody. It's lovely to see you again, and we're going to do some fun painting, some more creative activities. Before we start, I want to talk to you about what to do if you're running out of paper, or you're just interested in some different things that you could do your creative work on. Okay, so at the moment the rubbish is probably being collected, but maybe not the recycling. So I hope you are collecting lots of interesting things that usually might go either into the rubbish or the recycling, because we will hopefully be able to make some interesting things over the next few weeks together, and it would be good if you had some of those kind of recyclable supplies. So just to give you some examples, you might get mailers advertising in the letterbox sometimes. If you don't have a sign on your letterbox, this could be a really big piece of paper that you could do a painting on. At the supermarket at the moment, your shopping might come in paper bags. You can cut that open as well and open it out and do some painting on a paper bag. Likewise, you might be collecting supplies in cardboard boxes. That is also a really good surface for doing a painting on. So I'm going to do my painting today on some cardboard. So this is one of my muesli boxes I like for breakfast. Very simple. Take my scissors, as quick and easy as that. We have a surface to paint on. Okay, so once you have something to paint on, let's talk about some of the things we could use to make marks on our paper. We've done some drawing activities where we have made some squares, tapawha, we made some triangles, tapatoru, and some diamonds as well. And in this lesson I want us to look at doing some circles. So to start with, what we can do is explore in the cupboards or around the house and see what you can find that you could make some circles with. Now it might be a good idea, if you're going through the cupboards, you could take a cloth and some cleaning supplies, and you could give the cupboard a little clean out while you're doing that. So that way you'll be helping out in the house as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the things I found in my cupboard. A cup. It's got a nice big circle, he porowheta on it. I found a jar. It's a little bit smaller. I found this seasoning bottle, which has a nice lid, nice round lid, or a milk lid could do the job as well. And my food colouring bottle has got a teeny tiny little round lid as well. So you can see I've got a whole lot of different circles for making some marks with. I even have recycled this toilet roll. That's going to have a nice circle as well. So we'll see what we can do with these circles. Okay, let's start by putting down some newspaper, and then we can get our surface that we're going to do our painting on. Now recently we learnt that we could make some colours from our kitchen cupboard, didn't we? So I'm going to use up some of these in our activity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my portofita, my circles, I'm going to dip them in, and then I'm going to make some marks anywhere I like on my paper. This circle's a little bit smaller. And this one is my smallest circle of all. I want to try this one that's a little bit bigger. It's a bit tricky to fit it in there, so I'm going to use my brush to get some of my colour on. Oh yeah, that's marmite alright, I can smell it. Okay, so if you like, you could have a go finding some different circles around your house and then making a beautiful painting. Okay, let's do another painting using our circles that we found in the cupboards. This time I'm going to start with my biggest circle and work my way down to a medium circle and a teeny tiny circle. So let's start with some big circles. I can do my circles anywhere I like. Now some green ones. This one is smaller. How about some brown circles? This one is smaller again. Let's try my toilet roll again. That was pink. That one was slightly bigger than my brown circle, but smaller than my green circle. See, it fits inside. On my brown circle, it goes outside. Now I have one last circle, my teeniest tiny circle. that's my smallest. If you like, you can find some circles around your house and make a beautiful painting with lots of different circles anywhere you like. Just have fun, relax and enjoy with me. And when you're done, you can share your picture with me if you like on Facebook. Ka kite anō.